Hi everyone, good morning. I'm JC from Itemcount, and this is the overview for item count operation. At item count, inventory item or the products list and raw materials is the heart of the application. From it, we can create sales orders, we can create purchase orders, we can create fulfillment orders, and we can do job orders or work orders for production or manufacturing. So item count started as well. The very first iteration of this is for food, POS, and inventory system, and then it grew. It evolves into a B2B solution for multi-location inventory and sales management. I'll share about multi-location. So for example, this Alaksan FR. So at this branch, bigger Parma main, there are 95 eaches, and inventory locations, meaning somewhat synonymous with the warehouse, it has 5. So during the sales, for example, Alaksan FR again, 95 is being shown here, but here in total we have 100 in our system. Okay, so that means when you sold an Alaksan FR of this product in your POS, it will be deducted from the store or from the branch. And this one, the ones inside the warehouse will stay as is unless you do transfer or depletion. Excuse me. So we have multiple warehouse set up in this or location, and also we have a single branch or single store. But yeah, we can add more stores and transfer and split our quantity across multiple stores. Then you just need to log in as separate user to use those stores or to use those branches. Now, item count from multi-location, item count turned into businesses. So in here we have a feature called business partners, and inside business partners you can create a group. In my case, the group that has members is Page Pharma. So let's take a look. So in here, I have 3 pharmacies: Pharmacy A, Pharmacy B, Pharmacy C. These are actually not my branch, but actually these are franchisees of my pharmacy. What I mean is, this Pharmacy A, Pharmacy B, and Pharmacy C, they have separate item count accounts that's linked to my account as a customer or as a business partner, and me being the leader. If we're going to check, this is Pharmacy C. And inside here, I can see that there's no items yet on Pharmacy C. So let's check Pharmacy A. So for Pharmacy A has a lot of items. Okay. Now let's check Pharmacy A's sourcing. In here, the reason Pharmacy A has a lot of items is, Pharmacy A created tons of purchase orders from a supplier, which is my account. So I created this group as a supplier so that these franchisees will order to their franchise owner, will order stocks, products, and even raw materials to their suppliers. So let's test ordering for Pharmacy C. Okay. So in sourcing, I can either create a plain purchase order or go to the group, so I can see the group that I can see all the groups that I am into. In this case, I have this one group, Big Pharma. Then I'll filter the location wherein I want to order, and I want to order many products. Okay, so in the actions, just create a purchase order, and that will immediately give me the purchase order. In line with this, so if I created the purchase order targeting my supplier as a franchisee, now the franchise owner can go to the sales page and check the latest sales there, sales order there, and it will be, it will be automatically created for them. So as you can see here, one quantity each is requested. What the pharmacy C wants to purchase it, and as you can see here, we have enough. So if we try to change the location, you can see that there are five eaches on this general inventory, like the warehouse. So 3 of them, they have enough for the required quantity, and the 3 of them, the other 3, it's not. They're not. So I might just get back to the location or to the branch that can satisfy and can fulfill all the items in the sales order. So let's check again. It is open status, meaning it's not yet ready. Should be approved. Okay. If I make this mark as completed, yeah, auto deduct, and then all blue still, and now it's approved. Okay. If I receive this item, okay, one moment, we can actually receive it as a whole. Receive all items. Okay, now items are all received. If I go to my inventory, it's not blank anymore. All these 6 items are inside my inventory now. Normally, if you're a loan user, you need to add, and you need to import CSV to set up your items. But this time, if you have a supplier, you can purchase items from him or her, from the company. You will automatically recreate that item or product in your system with a different of course ID and identification system. Yep, reducing the difficulty of setting up your account as a whole. And if I want to sell, for example, this Gatorade Blue, I'll just turn this. Is this item for sale? Save changes, and I will transfer this to the branch where I want to sell it. Now, if I check the POS, it's available in there. I can create this. Exact payment. Alright. Then, if I go back in here, partners, groups, PH Pharma, I want to refresh that one. As you can see in here, yeah, Pharmacy C has a sale, Pharmacy A and Pharmacy B, they all have items. If I try to view this, and then refresh, general inventory, yeah, everything is in here. Okay, 5 items. If I go Pharmacy B, yep. Then if I go check Pharmacy A, there you go, and then the sales, I can see the sales of my franchisees. And that's how business partners work. So we have available franchise system right now, but none of those has a deep inventory support and has a automatic ordering and notifications, purchase order to sales order, and having a huge support on multi-location management, inventory management. So that's it for our overview. Please follow our Facebook page for more tutorials in the future, and YouTube channel also. Also, we will be announced the new features, how to's, the new manuals, the changes, and more improvements for item count. Thank you. That's all.